Ο μοντέρνος χορός και συγκεκριμένα το είδος χορού που ονομάζεται jazz προέκυψε από το μείγμα διαφόρων προσωπικών στυλ και χωρίζεται σε funky jazz, λυρικό jazz και rock jazz. Με βάση το μοντέρνο χορό προέκυψε και το street dance ή αλλιώς hip hop. Αφορά ένα είδος χορού που εκφράζεται σε χώρους κοινωνικούς που συγκεντρώνεται η νεολαία, όπως οι δρόμοι, τα προαύλια των σχολείων, τα night clubs, οι χώροι διασκέδασης δηλαδή των νέων. Στο hip hop ο χορευτής επιδεικνύει το ταλέντο του στους αντιπάλους και στο κοινό, με ακροβατικά, εφέ και θαυμάσιες φιγούρες. Το hip hop έχει μια ζωντάνια και μια δυναμική που αντιπροσωπεύει τα νέα παιδιά, γι' αυτό και είναι ιδιαίτερα αγαπητό από την νεολαία.
I never needed you to be strong. I never needed you for pointing out my wrongs. I never needed pain. I never needed strain. My love for you was strong enough, you should have known. I never needed you for judgment. I never needed you to question what I spend. I never asked for help. I take care of myself. I don't know why you think you got a hold on me. And it's a little even conversations. There isn't anything for you to say. And my eyes hurt, hate, shiver. So look at me and listen to me. Because I don't want to stay another minute. I don't want you to say a single word. Hush, 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 hush. There is no other way. I get the final say. Because I don't want to do this any longer. I don't want you. There's nothing left to say. Hush, 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 hush. I'm already spoken. All of this broken, baby. Hush, hush. Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy.
Hey, what up,
Grab
girl?
my glasses, I'm out the door. I'm gonna hit this city.
Let's go.
Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking pedicure on our toes, toes. Trying on all our clothes, clothes. Boys blowing up our phones, phones. Drop top and playing our favorite CDs. Pulling up to the parties. Trying to get a little bit tipsy. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No. Ain't got a care in the world, but got plenty of beer. Ain't got no money in my pocket, but I'm already here. And now the dudes are lining up, cause they hear we got swagger. But we kick them to the curb unless they look like Mick Jagger. I'm talking about everybody getting crunk, crunk. Boys try to touch my junk, junk. Gonna smack him if he getting too drunk, drunk. Nah, nah, we go until they kick us out. Or the police shut us down, down. Police shut us down, down. Po-po shut us down. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No. in.